here we are. In this week's special, they have the Merry Moments 2-pack kitchen towel sets for $4.99. They have different ones. Very cute. Aldi's getting ready for Christmas. Glass cup with straw, $3.99. These are pretty big. Very cute. They have the cookie jar, frasco para galletas, $12.99. This is a pretty big cookie jar. Which cookie jar do you like? Look at this beauty. The little house. It's pretty big. That's beautiful. It's snowing at Aldi. I'm kidding. The snow globes. I'm going for $7.99. How beautiful. The nativity set, the angel. Merry Moments holiday mugs, $3.99. There's more here. That's cute. Another snow globe candle, $6.99. Look at this, how cute. The cover has the snow globe. Here we have the 2 feet flock LED tabletop trays for $9.99. Different colors. It looks like a silver there and a pink. Down below, the throw-away pillows for $4.99. I only see pillows. Wait a minute. I believe there's a throw here. Look at that. How pretty. Candy canes, $4.99. Look at this, how pretty. The Crofton Holiday Sugar Pot or Measuring Cups for $5.77. Oh my God, this is adorable. Ceramic made. Look at these little measuring spoons with the houses. And the Christmas trees over there. And of course, the sugar pots are these here in 2 tones. The bottle brush trees, $5.99. Let me get one so you can see up close. That's what they look like. And that's the little stems. They have another tone over there, like gold color. The Merry Moment holiday garlands, $4.99. With bows, or is this okay? The gold. Okay, they're all bows. There's a pink bow over there. The velvet bow clips on ornaments. Okay. Look at this. 6-pack. Different colors. And then we have the fragrance candles for $8.99. Look at that. Gorgeous. They smell really good, and you can touch to smell. That smells like pine. Very nice and clean. Down below, they have the Kirkton House Holiday Comfort Mats. There you go. And they're double. Oh, okay. You can flip them. Simply flip mat over for a second design. There you go. Look at that, how pretty. These are $6.99. The LED string lights, $2.99. Oh, okay. There you go. Now we're starting with, oh, wait a minute. There's more Christmas stuff here. These beautiful figurines, they look like ice. These are $14.99. Check this out. Maybe no, there's no light. Maybe this one. No, this one. Oh, there you go. Ah, amazing. Look at that. That's really cool. This one. now we're going to start with all the hosting materials they have in this week's ad, like this Crofton Awesome Pot for $36.99. I don't know if you can see it there. Also, the mini utensils for $1.49. They are really mini. These are cute. Actually, I have some of these. Very useful. Adventurage stainless steel bottles for $8.99. The milk frother in 2 tones, $7.99. Multi-purpose lighters for $3.49. Crofton mini ceramic baking dishes. Check these out. Look at that, the little mini loaf pan. I like it that they come in 2. Oh, and they have the 2 tones. The mini casserole dishes. Look at that, 2 tones. They have this white one here, which is the same as the mini pie dish. Those are going for $2.99. Down below, they have the glass bowl sets for $7.99. I don't know if you can see that there. Yes. Oh, my bad. There you go. Glass baking dish set. Oh, nice. $14.99. The Ambiano classic stand mixer in 2 tones for $49.99. Crofton cookie sheets with cooling racks. Let's check this out. Wow, this is huge. Look at that. Let me zoom back. Can you see that? There we go. There you go. $12.99. The Crofton cookie sheet sets for $12.99. This is in 2 tones. Crofton adjustable rolling bin. All right, look at that. Okay, these are baking tools actually for $6.99. These are measuring cups right here. And they have the 3-piece sieve set. Any of these for $6.99. Stainless steel cookie cutters, $4.99. They have different ones there. They have a stamp, the pie roller, and what else? They have a 4th one in there. Okay, pie crust, roller, stainless steel cookie cutter, cookie stamp and cookie stamp set again. No, dessert server. There you go. That's the one that we were missing. 3-piece cooling rack sets for $8.99. And what do we have here? $12.99 for this Easy Home Premium Kitchen Dish Rack. How lovely is that? Look at that, very vintage looking. No wonder they're wrapped like that with paper, and they even have black ones, black racks. I like this gold color. In addition to this week's ad, we have some personal items, such as the pocket umbrella, $6.99. These come like this. Aldi has these items this week in 2 tones. The umbrella's in there. I like that. That's a neat way. And they do have 3 tones. I don't see this color here. The Adventurage thermal socks for $6.99. Crane premium pullovers for $14.99. S through extra large, and yes, the socks are men's 6 through 12, ladies for $2.10. Men's or ladies lined jeans for $12.99. These are wrapped that way. You see that? What do you think about my green tone nail polish? I just did that yesterday. Crofton oven mitt or 2-pack towels, pot holders for $4.99. They come in these designs. Oven mitt, okay, it does have like a rubber and then like cloth on the top, and the little towels up there, you see them? Kitchen towels, really nice. And snackle box containers for $6.99. That's a pretty big one. They do have the 2-pack. Smaller ones. Up above, the flannel shirts for $9.99. S through to X. Lily and Dan children or toddlers 6-pack socks. Let's check this out. Okay, they have them like that, or this tone. Different tones, I guess. Different prints to make it fun for the kiddos. And licensed children's character sweat sets, $9.99. Let's see. Let me see if I can get one for you. There you go. That's pretty cute. And they have the mini up there. You see? What else? Oh, more Christmas stuff here. The Merry Moments LED presents, the 3-pack for $22.99 in silver and in gold. This is so pretty for like when you set your Christmas tree there. And then this other tone here, it's like a brown. The holiday Campa bins for $8.99. I believe there's 2 in there to put away anything, really. Toys, Christmas accessories, anything. What do we have here? Okay, some extra liquid laundry detergent for $6.79. This has 116 loads. Tropical Passion as the aroma. That's pretty big. Curtain House baskets with handles, $4.99. You see these? There's actually these are 2-pack for $4.99. They come in different sizes. This is 2-pack, but I believe the large ones usually do come by them just one for that price. See, that's the big one. All right, so there you go. That's what they have for this week's special. And oh, let me not forget, the shoes for the kiddos are also on display there on the weekly ad for $13.99. These are pretty cute Spider-Man shoes for that little boy in your life. They even have for girls. Let's see. Okay, Frozen. Pretty cute. What are the sizes? These are interesting. The sizes, they don't have any table as they usually do, but this is a 12 and that's a 10. So I guess you'll have to just make it here. All right, folks. So we're gonna go ahead and start moving over to the food and see what they have this week. Okay, I hope you enjoy. Sausage cheese breakfast pizza. Wow, these are $4.49. No, not really. Actually, yeah, $4.99. Look at that pork belly combo bacon. On this week's special, the 3-pack Mama Costa's cheese pizza for $6.99. Well, this is new. On the border, cafe style chips, tortilla chips for $2.59. This is pretty big. I like that. Mango and blueberry applesauce. Interesting, $2.29. There's 6 cups in there. This is definitely new. They have these latte and frappe mix made with Arabica coffee in caramel apple strudel, and that cinnamon roll over there for $4.49. There's 3 16-ounce grande little packets in there. Enjoy hot or cold. I've never seen that. That's interesting. For all my cheese lovers, check this little log here. Everything goat milk cheese. Like the everything bagel for $4.49. So the other day I tried the Gouda, smoked Gouda cheese, and it's very intense, as in kind of salty. But hey, to each his own. This is $3.39. They have different ones, spicy or regular smoked. I have to get this. Yummy Donuts Bake Shop Bakery. $4.99.